Hey, Coop. Friends of yours?
There it is! My key to universal domination! Sure, the CPU core is gone. Gone? Well, where the flarp is it? Scanning.
We got problems.
I have an idea. Whatever happens, they can't get that core.
Guess it's just us guys, huh?
Yeah. See ya!
Hey, hold on, man! You can't leave Coop hanging!
Easy. Ah, wait up!
Sir, that Earther has the CPU core. Get me that core! The prototype is useless without it! Stop him! No! No weapons! You might destroy the CPU core!
Run-ins for chumps!
Get in!
Disable that vehicle! Take out the road!
Want me to take over now?
If you can pilot Magus, I think I can handle an archaic automobile.
I always wanted to do that.
You always wanted to do that?
Guy thing. There! Yo, Jamie! Catch! Go, go! Oh, man! Why'd I take a scooter?
Yo! I'm open! You oversized slugs got a problem with my boys? I got a problem with you!
Don't let these primordial imbeciles outsmart you! Get me that Jalopin core!